Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and insights on the latest gadgets and electronics. Today, we're diving into the world of premium audio with a product that's making waves in the market.
Introducing the Micca M-8S 8-inch two-way in-wall speaker, a true audiophile's dream.
Renowned for its uncompromising audio quality and sleek design,
this speaker stands out as one of the best wall-mounted speakers available.
But what sets the Micca M-8S apart from the rest? Let's take a closer look. First off, installation is a breeze.
With built-in mounting tabs, you can securely attach it to drywall or wood panels without the need for additional brackets or boxes.
Plus, its paintable design allows it to seamlessly blend into any decor, giving you great sound without sacrificing space. Now, let's talk about performance.
The M-8S boasts a high excursion 8-inch poly woofer and a pivoting 1-inch silk dome tweeter.
This dynamic duo delivers a smooth and natural sound signature with robust bass output. Perfect for everything from relaxing background music to high-impact home theater systems. And the specs speak for themselves. With a frequency response of 40 Hz to 20 kHz, impedance of 8 ohms, and power handling of 100 watts, each speaker ensures an immersive listening experience. Plus, the advanced crossover design ensures seamless integration between the tweeter and woofer for optimal performance.
But don't just take our word for it.
Customers rave about the Micca M-8S, praising its appearance, quality, and value.
Whether it's blending in seamlessly with ceilings or delivering exceptional sound for its price, this speaker continues to impress.
In conclusion, if you're in the market for the best wall-mounted speakers for your home theater or whole house audio system, look no further than the Micca M-8S 8-inch two-way in-wall speaker. With its unbeatable combination of audio quality, ease of installation, and modern design, it's a must-have for any audiophile. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on top-tier products like this one.
Until next time, happy listening.